No, Sunny. Sunny, that's not nice. Oh, Charlotte, you're so cute. Charlotte protects Cookie from Sunny. That's cute. Best friend. Good job. That's so cute. Hi, Charlotte. You love your friend, huh? You love your friend? You love your friend, sweetheart? What are you doing there? You're gonna get in trouble with Charlotte, Sunny. Sunny, don't fight. That's not nice, Sunny. Good job, okay? I like when you guys talk, when you guys are like this, like friends. Good job. Look at that pretty birds. Cute birds. Yeah, like friends. Sunny, your feathers look all messed up. Sunny, be nice. That's not nice, Sunny. Charlotte is protecting always Cookie. Good job. Good job. Sorry, Sunny, if you fight, Charlotte don't like that, okay? I'm sorry. You need to behave good. You understand? Yes, you do. If you behave good, you can come down from there. Come on, Sunny. But promise that you're gonna behave good. Otherwise, stay there. Excuse me? What are you doing here? Excuse me, Charlotte. What are you doing here? This is Toby. Yep, they don't belong here. Are you lost? You want me to show you the way to your house? There you go. This is not even your house either. Look, Lucy is like she wants to come out. This is how birds act when they want to come out from the cage. When they go and walk on top of the cage like that. Whatever she's doing, she wants to come out from cage. The reason that I don't take her out is, number one, I think she's pregnant. Number two, males are out. Number three, she don't really want to come out. She's just stressed because she hears all the males on top of her house and she thinks they're gonna come inside. That's why she wants to fly away. You're okay, Lucy. You're okay. Who's there? Is that Toby? Do you want to come inside your house? Or do you want to exercise more? Sunny? It's been 25 minutes already. All right, a little bit more, okay? How do I know when they don't want to exercise anymore? It's just like when they stop flying around, like this. They already got their exercises. No, Charlotte, that's Lucy. No, Charlotte, don't fight for Lucy. That's not nice. What if somebody goes to Luna's? Are you gonna like that? Don't sing to Lucy. She doesn't want to hear your song. Too late for that. Sunny? They're playing. This is how they teach each other how to feed. They play like that and they start fighting later on. If they don't behave good, I'm gonna put them inside. Sunny, Sunny, that's Cookie. I wanna buy a map for you because I think you're lost. Sunny, be nice. Sunny. Guys, you need to behave. Guys. Sunny, go to your house, please. I'm gonna follow you like you follow Lucy. I'm gonna follow you with my phone. Yes, because you're annoying. I'm gonna be annoying to you. The same way. You're not supposed to be here, Charlotte. You don't care anymore, huh? Hey, excuse me. Ew, I saw your little feathers. No fighting, no fighting. Sunny, you're not supposed to fight. Excuse me. It's time for you to go to your houses, please, guys. No more outside. When fighting starts, you need to behave good and go to your houses, please. Cookie? Cookie, your house is open. Ah, excuse me. Remember we talk about being friends, right? Sunny, there you go. He's mad over there. Be nice, Charlotte. Be nice to Cookie, please. This is Cookie's house. It's not your house, Charlotte. This is Cookie's house. No, Charlotte, be nice. Charlotte, be nice. This is not your house. This is Cookie's. All right? Oh, excuse me? It's you again, Sunny. Okay, you look so nice when you guys are friends. No fighting. I don't want you to fight, okay? Good job. Hi, Cookie. Cookie, your house is open. Come on. You wanna come inside your house? Look, I cleaned it for you today. Nice and clean. I put new food, look, I cleaned there. I cleaned the little house there. And I changed his furniture a little bit. Well, their furniture, where's Lucy? Oh, Lucy's up there. I moved this thing, how do you call this, the bridge? It was over there, so stretch it more. So they can have more room, and I put this thing more, how do you call the green thing? Other paper. Sunny, you're the only one who wants to fight. Why you can't behave good, Sunny? Hey, excuse me? Good job, Charlotte. No, Sunny. No fighting with Cookie. Cookie don't fight. He's a good bird. Sunny too, but Sunny's more like leader and controlling. Hey, be nice. And he's trying to be the attention right now. See? And Charlotte is coming to save Cookie. See? Charlotte. See? Sunny has a lot of energy, huh, guys? Hi, Charlotte. Hi, guys. Cute baby. I love when they're like relaxing like this, but the other guy is over there singing. He's mad. What? Excuse me? What? Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad? I can hear you complaining. Your house is open so you can go inside. Your house is open. If you want to go inside, go inside. You think you're tired. You're hungry. You're thirsty. Maybe. You miss Toby? Go inside your house then. That's not your house. Exactly. Behave good, Sunny. Otherwise, Charlotte, he's not gonna let you, okay, Sunny? Are you pretending that you're sleepy? Are you serious about it? Why are you yelling? Hey. Are you mad? Oh, well. They run away from you. They run away from you, Sunny, because you always find it. That's why. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my goodness, these guys. All right, guys, I'm going to end up this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And thank you very much.